This is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today we're gonna...
Hey.
Oh.
This is my show. Get your own show. Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today I'm going to be replacing these mini blinds and adding a set of mini blinds on either side of this window. And so to start out, I'm going to measure the width of each window. And this is 47 3/8. 23 1/4. Okay, the mini blinds that we purchased are these cordless vinyl mini blinds. It's very similar to the one we put up here, almost exactly, but we wanted them all to match, so we got all the same color. And they're the 1 inch mini blind. So anyway, I'm going to get started and I'll start putting this one up. These are fairly easy to install. It has a little hardware box, and everything you need to hang the mini blind is right in this box. It comes with two clips, one for each side, and the screws to install it. Okay. Once the clips are installed, and it is important to measure off where the clips are going to be from the ends of this, because this is going to be smaller than the window, and then you line these up with the top, and basically they just snap into place, and that's it. And you can pull this down, and we'll put the wand in. And you can turn it to open and close the blinds. And then when they're in the open position, this will just lift straight up. They're cordless blinds. It's safe for kids this way. Anyway, I'm going to do these other two windows, and the job will be done in no time. This is what I was talking about right here. We didn't want it to sit right over this because we didn't want this clip to hit this right here in the back. So that's why I set it off center. That's just something you want to remember when you're installing these blinds. We'll center it up and we'll snap it into place. There it is. And there it is. We've installed these two, and I'm going to install the last one now. So if we've helped you or entertained you, just hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll bring more videos to you as they come up. And if you have if you have anything that you would like to see put up or done, just post it in the comments section and see if I can't do it for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Able to get it. Now I ain't gonna go. That's just one. There you go. This whole thing's gonna be bloopers. Anyway, this is how not to put up a mini blind. That was my shoes.
Sure.